the turn. And up. Okay, and arms up. Down!
Yeah!
Okay, everybody okay?
Yes, sir!
Okay, yeah, just for the ones that tested. Okay, everybody sit down. Quick, quick, go. Close your legs again. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, and Rory, come on up. Da-da-dun. And the turn. And turn around. Take your belt off. You're gonna tie your belt. Okay, ready, and come back around. Put your arms up. Okay, right here. Sorry, right with 2 hands. And then bow. Okay, good job. Again. Okay, and wow, pretty yellow belt. Trevin, come up. Done. Yeah, the jerks. Yeah, up. So. There we go. Now you can do this.
He has done so good.
Here it is. Arms up. Hey, 2 hands. And up. Good job. Good job. And that. Green belt. Here, that's it. And turn around.
Your spot, Trevin. Your spot. When you see yellow belly to the front row now.
Can you take it off? Okay, come back up. And arms up. And 2 hands and up. Okay, good job. Alright. Okay. Okay, turn around. Perfect, turn around. Turn around first. Okay, is it on? Okay, now turn back around.
It's just so little.
Okay, ready? Thumbs up. Ready, and 2 hands. And up. That's right, good job. Okay, anybody else test next time? Yes? 2 more months. Okay, yeah, everybody stand up. And the turn. And yes. Okay, everybody did a good job. And forward line. Up. And jump up. Up. And 1 hand up. And 1 hand up. And 1 hand up. 1 hand up.
Nobody, buddy. Right. Okay. You don't get dressed yet. We're doing your makeup test today. Okay.
You're gonna do it next time.
Look at me.
What's up, bud? What do you got?
Makeup today. Okay.
Oh, a yellow stripe.
You gonna do your best?